Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This house is nothing short of amazing. Located in Melrose Meadows is this modern 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house. Each bedroom is decked with pine wood ceiling. On the ground floor boasts the family room, dining room, a large kitchen area with breakfast counter and the laundry area. There is also a spacious bedroom with ensuite bathroom plus a powder room. Another amazing feature is this sunken living room, which is perfect for a game night or simple relaxation. Let's take you upstairs to the master bedroom, ensuite bathroom, with both a bathtub and a shower. There are 2 additional bedrooms which share a bathroom in the middle. There is also a computer room area. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 42 million or US $272,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.